Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put top and bottom borders in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to put top and bottom borders. At first, select your data sheet. Now I am select my sheet, click and drag on our mouse and go to the home menu. Select the borders drop down menu and we can see here many borders. Now I am select the top border and again go back this option, choose bottom border, then click outside. We can see here showing the top and bottom border. Now we want to make sure the border is permanently added. Go to the file menu, select the print option and check the print preview. We can see here the top border and here bottom. Now we can see we put top and bottom borders in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.